Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing the host computer for remote desktop access. Enable remote desktop and allow users with an account on the PC. Open TCP port 3389 on the firewall and configure router NAT or dynamic DNS as needed. Ensure the host is reachable by IP or hostname from the client network. Confirm 128-bit encryption and network-level authentication are enabled in system settings. Create a dedicated user account for remote access and verify its password is strong and current. On your client device, open the RDP client application and enter the host IP, hostname, or dynamic DNS name. Choose the correct port if you changed it from 3389, for example, 3390. Enter your username and password and enable network-level authentication before connecting. Configure local resource mapping for clipboard and drives, and set display to 1920x1080 or your preferred resolution. Save the connection profile for reuse and test the session to confirm file transfer and audio redirection work. Protect remote access by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication where possible. Change the default RDP port from 3389 and restrict access to known IP addresses in firewall rules. Keep the host and client systems updated with the latest security patches and enable auditing for remote desktop logins. Use an RDP gateway or VPN for external connections instead of exposing RDP directly to the internet. If a connection fails, test network reachability, check port forwarding, and review event logs for clear error messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.